It's your boy AJ, back with another video. Man, I had to go put the truck in the shop. Y'all see, cause my wife in the Camaro, so I had to go put the truck in the shop. But yeah, we're gonna have some footage for y'all. My boy, he over here building on this Camaro, which is the IROC. So we finna go and do this little video on this. He built it from the ground up, so y'all finna see. Y'all see it. Building it from the ground up. So far, we got so far.
But you're right there.
Y'all see. It's in building motion. Putting all new stuff in it. Make sure we gonna get it right. He putting part by part on here. Building it up. Y'all see it. Putting new stuff in it.
What's up, man?
Yeah, this is the builder, the man that, with the plan. He building this car up from ground up. Y'all see it. We call him Crash Bandicoot. If y'all know who Crash is, this is Crash. He like to fix cars. You name it, he can fix it. He's a young entrepreneur. I mean, he do the thing. But yeah, he building this car up, man. For any of y'all that know what this is, text me in the comment and tell me what it is. If y'all don't know, text me in the comment right now. But yeah, we're gonna do more videos on this because he building it from the ground up, so we all know it. We finna have footage for y'all. We building this IROC, which is Camaro, which I didn't know. But now I know. I like old schools. Like anything old school cars, I like them. But yeah, until next time. Until next time. Make sure you drop the comment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I know y'all watch my videos, so hit the subscribe button. Come on, now, ain't gonna hurt you. Hit the subscribe button and the like and the comment. I would appreciate that. And we'll keep getting more videos for y'all. To the meantime, Callahan Gang.